Hey guys, what's happening? How to get free crypto. You don't need upfront cash to earn your first crypto. What you do need is a plan, some consistency and safety filter to avoid time wasters and scams. Think of this as a ladder. Start with tiny, guaranteed wins, graduate to bigger, occasional windfalls. Okay? A quick, guaranteed starters, low effort, small payouts. Learn and earn programs. Exchanges and wallets periodically pay you a few dollars in tokens for watching short lessons and passing quizzes. Why it's good? Zero risk, teaches core concepts, funds your first on-chain transactions. Make an exchange account with solid KYC, enable 2FA, speaking of the devil, and opt into their rewards and learn tap. When a campaign pops, claim it immediately. They're first come, first served. Okay. Referral bonus. Many apps pay both refer and referee. Right. Why it's good? No capital required. Just your network. Okay. Collect proof of payout screenshots for friends. Trust goes up and conversion follows. Microtasks and surveys. Okay, some platforms pay small amounts of BTC and USDT for tasks, feedback, or QA. Right? Why it's good? Flexible and portable. Set a weekly time box, let's say 60 to 90 minutes. Treat it like a gym routine or you'll drift. Right? Next, ongoing dibs. Faucets. Classic sites drip satoshis or altcoin dust for captures and rolls. Okay, zero risk helps you practice sending and receiving without fear. Consolidate faucet payouts into one wallet weekly to reduce on-chain clutter. Okay, cashback and rewards. Some debit cards and wallets give you crypto back on purchases you'd make anyway. You're turning spend into stack without investing. Only route purchases you already make. No spend to save tabs. Next, bigger and occasional wins. Airdrops and points campaign. New L1, L2s wallets, DeFi apps often reward early real users. What qualifies? Bridging a small amount, swapping once, providing feedback, testing features, holding testnet NFT, or using product weekly for N weeks. Right? Why it's good? Asymmetric payoff. A single campaign can out-earn weeks of faucet. And if you want to know how to play it, create a dedicated wallet for experiments. Interact genuinely, not spamming, with short checklist, swap, liquidity, bridge mint, and keep a simple log, date, actions, wallets, so you can prove usage later. Safety tip, never sign blind approvals. Always read the permission. Prefer permit to and revoke approvals after. Next, play to earn in Quest platforms. Games and Quest hubs reward in tokens or NFTs. Engaging, skill-based, some pay in stable assets or points convertible later. Just for a safety tip, prioritize games and quests that already show withdrawal paths to stablecoins or CEX. Bounties in creator programs. Write docs, find bugs, make short videos, or design graphics for crypto projects. Why it's good? Merit-based, pays more than faucets. Build a tiny portfolio, Notion or Drive, and pitch to a community managers. Next, how to turn free into spendable money. Even when you earn for free, withdrawing matters. Prefer rewards in USDT, BTC, ETH, or tokens with clear liquidity on a known DEX, CEX. If you earn niche tokens, plan a 2-hop exit. Niche token, liquid chain coin, let's say BNB, Matic, ETH, to stablecoin, CEX, and bank or fintech card. Okay. Weekly game plan, simple and repeatable. From Monday to Friday, check, learn and earn plus referral dashboards. Takes you about 10 to 20 minutes. Tuesday, one airdrop task points campaign, 20 to 30 minutes. Wednesday, micro tasks and surveys should take about 30 to 45 minutes. All right. And Thursday, go for one quest or P2E session, 30 to 45 minutes. And Friday, consolidate to main wallet, revoke approvals, journal what you did, should take about 10 to 15 minutes. All right. Pay red flags. All right. If you see one of these few things that I'm about to mention, don't waste time. Pay a fee to unlock your free tokens. Hard no. No liquidity, no chart, no volume, but a large APY claims. Contracts you can't read, plus unlimited approvals. If in doubt, don't sign. Okay? So, final thoughts on this. Free crypto is real, but it's mostly small streams that add up. Punctuated by the occasional big airdrop or campaign. Treat your time like a capital. Focus on actions that either teach you a new on-chain skill or have credible path to cash out. And when it's time to withdraw tokens like BCOIN, follow clean auditable flow. Claim to wallet, swap to liquid asset, and off-ramp with approvals revoked and receipts saved. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.